iPhone 16 Pro Max major updates. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is generating significant anticipation, with numerous updates and features set to be unveiled. Scheduled for release in September, Apple's upcoming flagship is poised to bring substantial enhancements in design, functionality, and performance. Here's a detailed look at what we can expect, backed by various leaks and rumors, complete with their sources. One of the most talked about features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the new Apple Intelligence, Apple's foray into advanced AI capabilities. Initially showcased at the WWDC event earlier this year, Apple Intelligence promises to revolutionize the iPhone experience. This feature will include personalized suggestions in photos, music, and news, an overhauled Siri, intelligent spotlight search, predictive text, and contextual nudges in messages and emails. According to Sambit Saha, the news writer at Notebook Check, this AI integration is set to be a major selling point, potentially making the iPhone 16 series the most intelligent smartphone yet. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a significant redesign, reverting to a vertical alignment for the rear camera in a pill-shaped housing reminiscent of the iPhone X from 2017. Additionally, the Pro Max will sport a new capture button on the right side, enhancing the photography experience, especially in landscape mode. The front design remains largely unchanged, maintaining its sleek, bezel-free appearance. The display size will increase from 6.7 inches to 6.9 inches, with substantially slimmer bezels, providing a more immersive viewing experience. The camera system on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to receive substantial upgrades. Both the Pro and Pro Max versions will include a 5x telephoto lens, a feature previously exclusive to the Pro Max. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, a Tetra Prism lens will make its way to both Pro models next year, as opposed to just the Pro Max model. Apple equipped the iPhone 15 Pro with a 12-megapixel 3x optical zoom, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 12-megapixel 5x optical zoom camera, which is the equivalent of a 120mm lens on a full-frame camera. The ultra-wide camera will jump from 12 megapixels to 28 megapixels, and Apple is reportedly testing new lens coating technologies to reduce lens flare and improve image quality. Additionally, the larger Pro Max variant might incorporate Sony's IMX903 sensor with a 14-bit ADC and DCG, enhancing its photography capabilities. In a break with the past 2 years, all 4 iPhone 16 models will get a next-generation Apple chipset, which will all receive A18 branding. According to a MacRumors report citing Jeff Pugh, an executive analyst for Haitong International Securities, all 4 models will have an A18 series chip, with Pro iPhone models getting an A18 Bionic Pro and base models getting a regular A18. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be powered by the new A18 SoC, built on TSMC N3E node. This chip will offer significant improvements in performance and efficiency, with a particular emphasis on AI capabilities thanks to an enhanced neural engine. All models in the iPhone 16 lineup will feature the A18 SoC, marking a departure from the previous practice of using different chips for Pro and non-Pro models. Noted Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has color predictions for the iPhone 16 lineup. In a post on Twitter in May, he said that the blue color option of the iPhone 15 Pro would be discontinued and replaced with a new rose model, which would be available for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. He also predicted that the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will be available in white, replacing the yellow model. The display technology is also getting a boost, with micro-lens technology expected to make the OLED panels brighter and more efficient. The Pro models will support a maximum brightness of 1200 nits for SDR content, a 20% increase from the iPhone 15 Pro. However, this improvement may come with trade-offs, like worse viewing angles and increased manufacturing complexity. According to the Weibo leaker, Instant Digital, battery life and charging speeds are also seeing enhancements. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a larger 4676 mAh battery, up from 4422 mAh in the previous model. Charging speeds will also improve, with up to 40 watts of wired and 20-watt wireless charging. Connectivity upgrades include support for Wi-Fi 7 in the Pro models, promising higher speeds and lower latencies. The standard models will receive Wi-Fi 6E, previously exclusive to the Pro lineup. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to launch in September, a typical release window for Apple's new iPhones. While there is no confirmed pricing yet, we can anticipate a possible price increase, especially for the Pro variants, due to the enhanced features and escalating component costs. We expect the iPhone 16 Pro Max to be priced very closely to the current iPhone 15 Pro Max model, starting at $1,200 for the 256GB option. Also, we might see a 2TB iPhone 16 Pro Max model, which would make it the most expensive iPhone model of all time. With all these exciting updates, are you looking forward to the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Which feature interests you the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and detailed reviews once the iPhone 16 series is officially launched.